Hello students, how are you? Children, one topic was left in X chapter number first, number system. So today I am teaching that topics. Actually there are two topics. So one is exercise 1.4 and another one is construction of root. Some number is given in decimal form. Suppose it is 1.5 or 2.9, square root of 3.5. Suppose we want to locate on a number line. How to do that? So that type of problems are left. So today in this video session I will teach problems like these two types that I did not teach you, that I will teach you. Okay children, so for that you have to be ready with paper, pencil, pair of compass, eraser, etc. Are you ready for that? Then only we can do that work. Okay children, so let us begin with this topic based on exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. Question is this: visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Children, before we start this sum, let us understand one example given in our textbook. Children, question is representing real numbers on the number line. Suppose we take this number is our 2.665. This number we want to draw on a number line. So children, first diagram like this. Draw a number line starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So children, this is our first figure. Now children, we use magnifying glass to magnify the number line. So here we put our magnifying glass. It shows that number 2 and 3. And if we magnify it, and means if we see through this glass, this figure, this part of this line, number line, will be seen like this. That means it will be in magnified form. So here you can see that 2 and 3. So this number 2 we will see here, this number 3 we will see here. Now see here. Now children, this is 2 and 3. Now children, this 2 and 3, between 2 and 3 we divide in equal 10 parts. So this 10 parts like this children: 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. Similarly 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 3. So this way we have divided this part of the line into 10 equal parts. Okay, and we are getting this. So now children, we are interested in this number, but slowly, gradually, one by one. First we will obtain number 2. So that we have obtained here number 2. Now we will find out 2.6 children. So here is a 2.6 children. So this number, entire number, will be between 2.6 and 2.7 children. So now children, we will magnify this 2.6 and 2.7 in next step. Now say children, if we put magnifying glass here, so this 2.6 and 2.7, that we will see like this children. So again we magnify this 2.6 and 2.7. Here we will make 10 equal parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. So this first one, this is 2.6 first one. So what will be next one? It is 2.61. Children, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. If you consider, so this is 2.60. Then 2.61, 2.62. Likewise here 2.65, 2.66 up to 2.69. One you add, it is 2.7. So this portion is magnified and we can see this way, children. Okay, so this point is 2.65, children. Our number is this, children, 2.665. Okay, so now we have, children, got up to this, children, 2.66, that is here. Okay, and this entire number is between 2.66 and 2.67. So now again we put here magnifying glass, and what we can see, let us see on next page. Now children, here we put our magnifying glass. So now 2.66 and 2.67, that can be magnified and we can see like this. The 2.66 comes here, 2.67, this point we get on the number line. This is number line, children, don't forget. Now children, first number is what? This is 2.660, this point is. So next number is 2.661. Then if you proceed this way, so here you will get 2.665. That is this is our required number, children. So this number is here. So by that way, we found exact place of this number on the number line, children. Understood? So once again, you watch this video from beginning, you can understand very well. Let us proceed next sum, children. Example 11. Visualize the representation of 5.37 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. That is up to, this 7 is not here, children. Okay, 5.3777, children. So now let us do. Now children, this is here. From this 7 is recurring, children. So it is asked that up to 4 decimal point. So after decimal point, 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to this we have to go. We have to do. Okay. So let us proceed next page, children. Now children, number line, we know that this is 5, this is 6, that is very simple. Divide this part into 10 equal parts. So 5.1, 5.2 likewise. So now children, we are interested, our number is this, children, 5.3777. So now children, 5.3 you can find out here. So this is 5.3, this is 5.4. Magnify this number. So we get this number, children. After putting magnifying glass, children, here we are getting 5.3, 5.4. Again you divide 10 equal parts, children. Now children, 5.37. Now children, 5.3. So now 37 we want. So 5.37 and next number is 5.38. Magnify this part. So you will get this situation, children, after magnifying. Okay, you are getting this one. So now this is 5.377, 5.378. Again you magnify this portion, children. You will get this picture, children. Okay. So now this 5.377, that is here. 5.378, that is here. And in this, here it is 5.3775. This is 6. This is 7, 7. So in between, somewhere here, nearby this, you will get 5.37 bar, children. Okay. So by this way, children, we can find, you can proceed, here it is written, children, we can proceed endlessly in this manner, successively viewing through a magnifying glass and simultaneously imaging the decrease in the length of the portion of the number line in which 5.37 bar is located. So children, this very easy topic. Now let us start exercise. Exercise 1.4, question number 1, 3.765. Children, this number we have to visualize on a number line. So now children, this 3.7, beginning 3.7 lies between 3 and 4. So first we will draw 3 and 4 like this way, children. Okay. So now children, this is our number line that you know very well. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now pick up this 3 and 4, children. We magnify it, so we get this way situation. See here magnifying glass, that way it is no need to draw, children. It is to be understood, children. This portion we are magnifying, children. Okay. If you draw, then you can put here magnifying glass, but next picture, next situation, it won't be possible. So now children, this 3 we bring here, this 4 we bring here, and we divide it in 10 equal parts. 3.1, 3.2, 3, 4, this is 3.5, children. And this is 3.6, 3.7. So we want 3.7, children. So 3.7 we have got it. Now this entire number, children, this number lies between this and this. So now we will magnify this portion, children. Okay, this we will magnifying with the help of magnifying glass. So now this 3.7 comes here, 3.8 comes here. Okay, now we divide equal 10 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. So now children, so we have 10 equal parts, children. So children, I am not counting this, but just to show you, because here we are writing 9 and you think that sir is speaking 10 equal parts, but parts are 10, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, by that way. Okay, now I was telling that this is 3.7 taken here, this is 3.7 and this is 3.8 here. Now children, we want next number is 3. Our original number is which one, children? This is our number 3.765, children. So this is 3.76 we will pick up and 3.77. In between these two, this number lies. So now magnify this 3.76 and 3.77, children. So now this 3.76 here taken, 3.77 here taken, equal 10 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. Now children, you can see that this is 3.760. This is first one, 3.761, likewise here 5. So it is our required number 3.765, children. So by that way, we have found our answer, children. Here if you want to draw here magnifying glass, you can draw. But actually it is not necessary, but just in textbook it is given, so you can draw. So this way, children, we have obtained this. Second question. Question number 2, 4.26 up to 4 decimal point. Draw this number, find this number on the number line with the help of magnifying the number line. So now children, we want to visualize this number up on the number line up to 4 decimal point. Up to 4 decimal points means number is 4.2626. Okay. So now children, let us draw first this. This children, you can understand 4 and 5 we have taken. Actually in previous sum I took 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That also you can take here. So children, this way number line you can take. In previous sum it was 3 and 4. Now here you can take 4 and 5, children. So first you draw this, then magnify 4 and 5, or if you don't take, it is to be understood. No problem. Now children, 4 and 5 divide in equal 10 parts. Now children, it is 4.26. So here is the number 4.0, 4.1, 4.2. This number lies between 4.2 and 4.3. So we magnify this portion, children. Okay. We magnify this portion. So now see the next figure. We are getting this, children. 4.2, 4.3, children. Now children, we want 4.26 here. So 4.2, 4.21, 4.25, and this is 4.26, 4.27. So these are our two required numbers. Here we will put our magnifying glass, we will magnify this portion, and we get this situation, children. Okay, 4.26, this power point is here, and 4.27 it is here. Now we have magnified this portion, so we can see this type of picture. In that we have 10 equal parts, 1 2 3 4. Now children, come here. This is 4.261, this point. This is actually beginning with this 0. Okay, this is 4.260. We cannot speak, but suppose we want to speak, this is 260, so here you can speak 261. Okay, so 4.261, this is 4.262, this is 4.263, and now we will magnify this portion, children. Okay, so magnify this portion. Now we are getting this situation, children. Okay, 4.262 it is here, 4.263 here, and 10 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5, and here is 4.2625, children. Starting here, it is, suppose you put here 0, then it is 21 2 3 4 and 5, so it is 4.2625, and this is a red, I have used red ink for 4.2626. This is our exact number, children. Understood, children? So now, children, actually 4 decimal point, but 4.26, this we want 4.26, this number if you want, so in between somewhere it will be there. Okay, we have to do infinitely times, then we will get this situation. So I hope that you understood very well. So this way, children, final answer you can see. Now children, for your satisfaction, let me teach one more example. Let us learn that. Now children, same question, that visualize this number on the number line using successive magnification. So children, first we drew number line 2, 3. Now children, here I have done 10 equal parts. Now we put our magnifying glass here. Okay, and we will see, so we get this picture, children. Okay, 2 and 3, 2.1, 2.2 up to 2.5, 2.6 and 3. Now children, our number, this is our number 2.537. So this number, this is our number, children. This number lies between these two, so we magnify this, children. Okay, and we get this situation. 2.5 is here, 2.6 is here, and now children, we want 2.53, children, here. So we want 2.5 and 2.5 and 2.6 here. Now we want 2.53. So here you can see that 2.53 and 2.54, children. Now children, we magnify these two numbers. Okay, so we get this situation, children. 2.53 and 2.54, children. This is 2.53, this is 2.54. In between this, our required number is there. So this is 2.53, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2.535, this is 2.536, and this is 2.537, children. So this way we have obtained this exact point. So children, see, very interesting mathematics. When you were in your childhood, I mean, you were studying like this, draw a number line, your teacher was telling, write down 0, 1, 2, 3, so you were writing this way, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And now you have learned that like this number also you can show on a number line. So this is the interesting mathematics, children. Exercise 1.5, Question number 4. Represent square root 9.3 on the number line. Children, this type of problems I did not teach in this video session. I am teaching this exercise 1.5 question number 4, children. This I am teaching now. Okay, how to do this. So let us study that. First step, children, draw AB 9.3 centimeter. So this is AB 9.3 centimeter. Now children, from B, children, AB 9 centimeter, 9.3 centimeter drawn. Actually it is 9.3 unit. Now children, from this point we will draw BC 1 centimeter. Okay, so here is the point and we draw BC, children. This is 1 centimeter. This point is C, children. Okay, it is 1 unit. BC is 1 unit. So two things we have done. AB 9.3 we have drawn. BC 1 unit we have drawn. Now children, obtain midpoint D of AC line segment. So then this is AC line segment. Obtain midpoint D. Now children, actually just now I am teaching you that would be very speedily how to find midpoint, but when we will study construction, at that time you will understand very easily. So for time being, let me draw very speedily. Okay children. Now children, this is pair of compass that you know very well. So this distance we speak radius, children. From this point to this point we speak radius. This is metal point, this is pencil point. Okay, so when I speak the word keep radius this much, meaning is we have to measure from this point to C. So here I am speaking that take radius AC. So here AC I am measuring. This is the method to find midpoint of any line segment. So now keep this metal point at point C and draw here one arc. Similarly from point A, draw another arc. Same thing down, children. Here one, and from C another arc. Now children, we have to join this both the points, children. Perhaps you cannot see this point, but I will try to show you. Okay. Now children, you can see that points M and N, we have to draw a line passing through M and N. Now you cannot see, children, both M and N. Any one you can see. That will cut the lines AB. So that will be our point D. That is midpoint of AC, children. Okay, not B but AC. So D is a midpoint of AC. Now children, draw a line passing through this M and N. It will cut here at D. Now children, in textbook you don't find this line. If you draw or if you don't draw, it is not important. But important point, put your scale here and mark this point D. But you have to use scale, children. Okay, here you have to put scale. It passes through here. You can imagine a line and put a point D. Now children, again take your pair of compass. That pair of compass, metal point. Pair of compass, metal point you put at D and pencil point you put at A here. And now children, draw a semicircle. Okay. So now children, you can see that I have done this way. So we have one semicircle. Now children, perpendicular line we have to draw. Perpendicular line we have to draw through B. So keep your scale here and draw line this way. Now children, this point you call it, actually children, here it is D and this point it is O in textbook. So I am doing this way only. This is O, this is D. Now children, this distance BD is nothing but 9.3 children. And take your pair of compass once again and children extend this. This is our actually number line children. So this is our number line. On this number line we want to locate. This is our starting point 0 we have just taken. Here taken 1 centimeter, 1 unit. So this is point 1 children. Now take your pair of compass, put metal point on B at D and this pencil point at D and draw children this way children, arc. See this way. Now children, this point we have obtained, we call it this point E, and this E is our required point. It is 9.3 children. Understood? Construction. So this is 0, 1, here somewhere 2, 9.3 children. Now children, just you can imagine that verification work we want to do children. Square root 9 children, so it is square root of 9 is 3 children. So this distance nearly more than 3 you will find it. So by this way children, we have finished this question that was left children. Now children, same topic, let us continue for square root of 3.5 children. In your textbook it is given page number 20. Let us understand children. Method is same children. First step is draw AB 3.5. Okay, 3.5 centimeter or inches, any you can take. Here it is written the word unit only, 3.5 units, but we mean that we have taken 3.5 centimeter. Then BC is 1 unit, so here centimeter is a unit, so BC you take 1 centimeter. Children, this is always we take 1. Always we have to take 1. And this AB how much? So the given number, if it is square root 7.9 is given, so this you have to take 7.9, and this is always 1. Suppose question is asked as find the square root of 7.9. So here you have to draw 7.9. Any it is given. Then next step is find out midpoint of AC. Now children, how to find midpoint that I taught you. So by that way we have obtained midpoint D children. Now put here metal point of your pair of compass and then you draw the semicircle children. Take your pair of compass, you put here pencil point, and this way you can draw the semicircle. Clear? Then from B you draw a perpendicular line BD. Now children, put here pair of compass, and that you can see here children in this side. Here you put your pair of compass, metal point is here, pencil point is here, and draw line this way children. So here you will get a point. So that point will be 3.5. Here it is taken for x, that I will teach you, but for time being you understand that suppose this point, this distance is root 3.5, that we want to show a number line. So from this, here you draw this. So this would be square root of 3.5. So by that way we have obtained answer children. Now children, here something is given, that is explanation for any square root number. Any square root number is given. So method is same, just now I taught. Now children, here method is this way children. This is x, any measurement, square root. Square root x you will get here, and this already taken 1, and from this point you draw, so that will be root x. Root x means any number here you have taken, that answer you will get here. So by that way children you can do it. Now children, note down homework. Okay, So here visualize this number on the number line using successive magnification. Also do the following numbers as you did in question 1. Same thing children, here you have to do. Here some numbers are given. Note down this. And here for exercise 1.5 just now I taught. On the basis of that, for these 3 numbers you do this work children. Okay children, thank you. We have finished our entire chapter. These 2-3 topics were left, that also we have finished today. Thank you children. We will meet in next video session.